Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a divider field in Bitform. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the divider field. Now drag and drop the divider field. Then navigate to the divider field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can also modify it if needed. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the divider field. Here, you can see that the divider field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.